Welcome to the installation of the Colby VistaLuxe WD line Stretta sliding door. In this video, we'll walk through the complete installation process, including frame assembly, rough opening preparation, direct set post installation, stationary and active panel installation, feature activation, and final adjustments. Before beginning, read and understand all instructions. Follow all safety precautions and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Failure to install Colby products according to written instructions may result in improper performance and will void any warranty, whether written or implied. The following tools and materials are required for installation. Start by unpacking and organizing all components. Remove all shipping materials, protective films, and packaging. Inspect the head, jambs, sill, direct set post, and stationary meeting still cover to ensure nothing is damaged or missing. Lay all frame components on a clean, flat surface with the exterior aluminum facing up. This orientation provides better visibility and makes fastener installation easier. Before beginning, confirm all parts and fasteners are present. Apply a 1/4 inch continuous bead of silicone sealant along the head jamb, where the side jamb will meet. Apply a 1/8 inch bead along the nose hook and across the top of the inactive stop. Insert the corner key into the head jamb and align it with the side jamb. Use a rubber mallet to seat the corner key firmly into place. A slight 1/8 inch offset is normal. Secure the jamb and head using number 8 2 1/4 inch zinc screws through the pre-drilled holes. Fasten the nosing using number 7 5/8 inch stainless steel screws on both sides of the corner key. Repeat this process for the stationary side jamb. Position each jamb into the corner key and press firmly into place. Fasten the frame nosing with a number 7 5/8 inch screw through the nosing and into the corner key. Install the nosing over the sill key and secure it using number 8 2 1/4 inch screws. Clean any silicone squeeze out for a neat finish. Inject silicone into the corner until you have squeeze out for a watertight seal. Then clean any excess silicone. Apply a 1/8 inch bead of silicone along the nosing hook. Apply a 1/8 inch bead of silicone along the sill side. Join the sill to the side jamb using the nosing hook and seat it with a rubber mallet. Fasten the corner with number 9 3-inch screws and secure the nosing with number 7 5/8-inch screws. Clean any excess silicone. Install the nailing fin with a wood setting block and rubber mallet. Prepare the rough opening before installing the frame. It must be plumb, level, square, and in plane. The opening should be 1/2 inch wider and 1/2 inch taller than the frame. Apply flashing tape per ASTM E2112 standards. Apply 2 continuous 3/16 inch beads of silicone around the rough opening. Prepare the frame for installation by flipping over the frame to the correct installation position. Add silicone sealant around the back side of the nailing fin, including foam corner seals. From the exterior, set the assembled frame into the rough opening, sill first. Tack the frame using a 1.5 inch galvanized roofing nail at the upper corners. Shim the jambs and head 6 inches from each corner and at all pre-drilled fastener locations. To install the stationary panel, we first need to remove the head track. Apply a 1/4 inch continuous bead of silicone along the inactive stop on the sill, jamb, and head. Using glass suction cups and adequate personnel, tilt the stationary panel backward and set the sill filler into the sill. Put the filler towards the interior until it hooks under the sill nub, then raise the panel upright. Align the head bracket with the groove in the head jamb and fasten using number 8 1 1/4 inch stainless screws. Install the sill ramp by applying a 1/8 inch bead of silicone along the hook groove. Insert the ramp at an angle, then roll and snap into place. Apply silicone at the exterior meeting style cover as required. Apply a 3/16 inch bead of silicone to all notches and wood contact surfaces on the stationary meeting style. Do not overfill. Overfilling will prevent the cover from snapping on properly. Install active stop foam filler onto the stationary meeting style cover at the top and bottom. Install the meeting style cover aligned at the top first. Be sure to secure it with a rubber mallet from top to bottom. Trim any excessive foam. Before installing the active panel, install the frame weather stripping. Insert the teardrop perimeter weather strip around the frame, ensuring it is fully seated and continuous. Secure the weather stripping with silicone at each corner. Before installing the active panel, thread the closure pins into the panel approximately halfway. This is much easier to complete before the panel is installed in the frame. From the interior, tilt the active panel and place the bottom rollers onto the sill roller track. Tilt the top into the frame and slide the panel toward the active opening. Reinstall the head track using number 9 3-inch stainless steel screws before releasing the panel. Attach the sill guide using the previously removed number 8 2-inch screws. Install the interior stop at the head by pressing it into the accessory groove. Ensure it is straight and fully seated. At the sill, secure using number 8 2-inch stainless screws in every pre-drilled hole. Do not over-tighten. The frame must remain square and true. Optional oak thresholds may be installed using adhesive, screws, or brad nails. Secure the head track using number 9 3-inch stainless steel screws through the head jamb, securing the frame. If the Stretta sliding door is equipped with a soft close, soft stop, or soft open feature, the system must be activated before the door will fully close for the first time. This is a required one-time activation step. Slowly slide the active panel toward the close position until the mechanism engages. Once activated, the feature will operate normally. If more than one soft close or soft open feature is present, repeat this process for each. Adjust the meeting strike by turning the closure pins to achieve 1/8 inch alignment and avoid over-tightening. Use a 4mm T-handle hex wrench to adjust roller height 1/8 inch. Attach interior wood stat covers with brad nails, evenly spaced. Finish bare wood interiors within 60 days using a quality stain, sealer, or varnish. Clean aluminum surfaces with mild soap and water only. Your Colby VistaLuxe WD line Stretta sliding door installation is now complete. For more information, product documentation, or additional support, visit colbywindows.com.